Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to insert rows in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Here in our screen is the sales table of multiple employees. Now, we have a total for each and every individual on the right side of the screen, as well as the total per day on the bottom part of the screen. Let's say we want to add another employee in row number 8. All we have to do is click on the row on the left side of the screen, right-click, and click Insert. Now, we are able to add another row for a new person. Let's say this is Jessie's. Now, if we want to add another row on the end of the list, while maintaining the same color scheme as the names, go ahead and click on row 10 and insert. And there you have it. You have another row for a new employee. Let's say his name is Kim. To add multiple rows, all you have to do is drag multiple rows. Now, right-click and insert. And there we have it. Just take note that every time you try to insert a cell, it would copy its predecessor, which means if I tried to add a row in row 15, I would be able to copy the color scheme of the total row located on the bottom of the table. And there you go. Same thing when I click on row 3 and try to insert a row, I would be copying the color scheme of the days. And there we have it. That is how you insert row in Microsoft Excel.